success of this meaningful occasion was made possible through the dedicated efforts of our dearest sister Julita Adrian A. Ranoco, OL. On one notable occasion, during the search for Mr. and Miss PRISA 2023, Private Schools Athletic Association, Christian Dale A. Lucete, as the candidate representing our school, exemplified the determination and confidence inherent to an Italian. His remarkable performance led to him as first runner-up, reflecting not only his individual excellence, but also the pride and spirit of our institution. In the midst of various events and celebrations, I found myself refocusing in my academic responsibilities as the final exams rapidly approached. The pressure of balancing both extracurricular activities and rigorous schoolwork was daunting, but with steadfast dedication, determination, and a firm belief in the importance of hard work, I, along with my peers, managed to rise to the challenge. In the end, our collective efforts paid off, and 25 students in our class were recognized as honor students. This achievement serves as a testament to the fact that with the right balance, commitment, and perseverance, it is indeed possible to excel academically while nurturing other talents and passions. Through countless trials, remarkable achievements, and the invaluable wisdom gained along the way, we have successfully surpassed grade 10. This accomplishment would not have been possible without the unwavering support and guidance of our esteemed advisors, Ms. Roslyn Sirisic and Ms. Yoma Castil G. Andana. As we begin a new school year, marking the start of our senior year, we approach this pivotal time with determination and focus. Our class is committed to embracing the challenges ahead, pursuing our individual aspirations with confidence as we navigate our chosen courses. The opening of the new school year was followed by the culmination of Buwan ng Wika, which was celebrated in August. In September, after a few weeks dedicated to the celebration of the Blessed Virgin Mary, the Science and Math culmination event took place. With great anticipation and enthusiasm, we participated in the math sayaw, poster making, and quiz bee competition. Ultimately, our collective dedication and countless hours of practice for the math sayaw paid off as we emerged as champions. In addition, the exceptional drawing skills and creative ingenuity of Cam Nicole Z. Monteron and Zephaniah K. Arborot were recognized when they also secured the champion titles in the poster making category. This achievement highlights how their hard work, creativity, and skills can be beautifully demonstrated through their craft. In the quiz bee category, Jessica Eloisa R. Madia and her team demonstrated exceptional effort and dedication, performing the best of their abilities in the subject of science. Meanwhile, Chris Angelo E. Vera, Sandra O. Reyes, and Erna N. Tabanay excelled in the math subject, showcasing their proficiency in calculations and equations by securing third place. In an effort to explore new hobbies and develop my sports skills, I made the decision to join the volleyball team that was coordinated by our late coach and teacher, Sir Peter Paul Gaya. Sir Paul was an incredibly kind, genuine, optimistic, and loving teacher who imparted lessons that extended far beyond the game itself. He consistently brought out the best in all of us, fostering personal growth and teamwork. He was the reason why I, along with Erica, Rochelle, Sandy, Lee, and Sophia Ann, found the courage to continue playing volleyball and to never underestimate ourselves. His guidance and belief in us gave us strength, and his impact will forever remain as our inspiration. Though my decision to join the team was not only a means to unwind from academic pressures, but also